Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the address bar in Google Chrome. Let's get started. In order to do that, you need to press F11 or a function key and F11. You can see the address bar goes away and you go full screen. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and just use your browser as you would. But how do you switch tabs? Well, to do that, you need to hold on Control on your keyboard and press on Page Up and Page Down on your keyboard. So once you click on it, it's going to basically switch to different tabs here, as you can see. Now, to exit this mode, what we need to do is just press on F11 again, or you could go ahead and hover at the very top of your screen here. When you hover at the very top, you should see an X button there. So if you click on it, you'll be able to exit this mode here. There's also another way to do it. You need to go to these three vertical dots on the upper right corner. In the place where you zoom on to minimize the screen, you click the full screen icon, and the Google goes full screen and the address bar goes away. So that's how you hide the tabs and address bar in Chrome. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.